So it has finally happened. Instagram is on a downward spiral. And if they don't do something dramatic, they might be on their way out completely. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. And today we're going to touch on Instagram and what platform should we be moving to, because the way it looks, Instagram is not going to make it. And we've been trying to let them know for the longest, the users, the consumers, like the direction that they're going in, copying other apps, quote unquote TikTok and everybody else. It's like, that's not what we want. So why are they not listening to their users? I mean, even Kylie Jenner has said something. And more recently, Peter McKinnon has made a video that Instagram, that they don't even know what they're doing, and that he's moving over to Vero. But is Vero the app we should be moving to? Vero has been around for a good minute. I don't remember how long, but I've downloaded the app. I made it an account and I used it a couple of times, but then I deleted it because, you know, Instagram was thriving at that time. Recently, I went back onto Vero. I started uploading stuff, but I didn't get that excitement. Like that excitement when Instagram first came out, it was like, oh, this new picture app for photographers, for makeup artists. It was like, yeah, post your pictures. You're going to get views, likes, and everything like that. Back in, I don't know, 2011, right? When it came out. If you're a photographer or if you're a makeup artist and you're not creating reels right now on Instagram, it's getting no reach, right? If you post pictures, like those pictures really getting no reach. They're pushing reels and we really don't want that for Instagram. Like we have TikTok already. If you notice, TikTok is starting to make their videos longer. Didn't it start out with, was it 15 seconds? Now it's 30, now it's 60, now it's 90. Like, come on. So Instagram, they're not listening. So what do we do as users? We're moving to somewhere else. And people are saying Vero. And Vero is like, okay, you know, it has the same features as Instagram. You can post pictures, videos, and you have a community over there. But it doesn't give me that excitement. It doesn't give me that excitement. But one app that does give me the excitement is FanBase. Now, if you haven't heard of FanBase, it is owned by Isaac Hayes III, and it's a new app that's probably been around for about 3 or 4 years. A couple of months ago, a video popped up on my YouTube feed, and it was like Black-owned social media app. So I was kind of intrigued. I watched the video. It was on Earn Your Leisure podcast, and Isaac Hayes III was on there. He was explaining the app and saying how you can get monetized on the app. So I was like, oh, okay, but I still waited a month. Like, you know, I was still trying to make it on Instagram, but it wasn't working. So I was like, okay, you know what? I'm going to try this app. I downloaded the app, and let me tell you, the first day I made $5. Now, what is FanBase? FanBase is literally a number of apps put into one. If you're looking at Instagram, it has all the features of Instagram. The long form video, the reels, which they call flicks. You have your regular post, and you have your videos, and you have stories. But in addition to that, they have audio rooms like Clubhouse. It's a very interactive app. And when I go on there, I get excited. And I know that my content is actually being noticed. So FanBase has their own currency, which is shared between users, called love. You can get love from your posts, your exclusive content, which is behind a paywall, where people have to pay a certain amount of love hearts to view that content. And then you can get love in audio rooms. You can get love anywhere. The first day on the app, I made $5. So I was like, wait a minute, I'm actually getting paid for my content from day one? Like, what? I don't have to like get hundreds and thousands of views or followers to even qualify for monetization. App does not have an algorithm right now. It's still in its growing stages. It has its quirks and technical difficulties, but overall it's still growing. So it has so much potential. I want more of a community come over there, because the community we have over there right now is absolutely awesome. There's all walks of talent on that app. Every day I meet somebody or I learn something new. So let me show you through the app real quick. Let's go on to FanBase. And here I am. These are the audio rooms. These are the audio rooms that are open right now. And you can create your audio room, or you can go into an audio room. So like I'm going to go into here. and you can actually be a part of the audience. Or if you're not accepting to talk, you would be at the bottom here just listening. You also create your own room. So you put the topic here, and you can put it as public, exclusive, private, where you just want certain people up in there. Or you can make it exclusive where people have to pay to get in. So let's make it private. A room, so I'll put Lala. And next. And these are the people that I can invite. These are my mutual friends, and I can invite any of these people. So I can invite someone and then create the room. And boom, I'm the speaker, and whoever I invite will probably come in and we can have a conversation. So this is your regular feed, like your Instagram. You know, you have your banner, your profile pic, your bio, how many posts you have, your followers, who's following you, and then you have your subscriptions, which I don't have any subscription yet, but you can like literally have people subscribe to you, and any exclusive content that you put up, they would be able to view. So then I have my regular post here, and here is the flicks, which is comparable to Reels on Instagram. And then we have the long form content, what is, you can put your YouTube videos on there, and soon they're going to be introducing paywall through your private YouTube videos. And then this is my exclusive content that people have to pay to view. Then you have your notifications. These are all my notifications, your follows, your likes, your loves. And then here's your revenue. So I've been on here about a month and a week, and I've already made $91.50. If I hit $50, I'll get paid at the end of the month. They actually are lowering the payout to $25. So next month, this is just your stats of your loves, your subscriptions, how many likes, your stories, your followers, and stuff like that. This is the regular feed. So this is everybody's stories up here. Click through the stories, and then you have your regular post. And then when somebody creates an audio room, the post would actually be on your feed if you follow that person. Then up here is flicks, and then you can go through people's flicks. So you would scroll through their reels. Yeah. And then I want to show you on someone's post. So you have like, then you have the comments, and here's a love. So I just gave that person a love, and that is considered currency. And then you can share the post to anybody that you're friends with on FanBase. So you can scroll through, like a couple of pictures, just like Instagram. And then you have direct messages. You can create a message here, who you want to send it to, and type your message here, just like that, and send it. So this is a FanBase. Oh yes, and if you want to create a post, so you can create a post, a story, you can go live on here as well. Flicks, go to an audio room or a long form content, which we called FanBase Plus. And then you can search explore page, and you can search, which is music, beauty. So this post right here, you know, I had 25 likes and 101 loves. Tap it on and see who sent you the loves, and you can tap on likes, see who liked your picture. And that's it, guys. Let me know. So what do you think? Do you think Vero is going to take over, or maybe FanBase, or do you think another app is going to take over? Let me know down in the comments below, because FanBase is taking my attention right now, and I want to know if there's any other app out there that might compare or compete with Instagram. Do you prefer Vero or FanBase or something else? Let me know, because right now I haven't been posting on Instagram, and I have no interest in posting on Instagram anymore. I'm on FanBase. If you want to come over to FanBase, make sure you follow me, Real Talk La La, and I'll see you in the next one. Be bold, be brave, and be a beast at what you do. Bye.